You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. The euro reached a 5-month high, rising to $1.0947 after reports that Ukraine agreed to a 1-month ceasefire. This decision could lead to the resumption of military aid and intelligence sharing from the US, triggering a positive reaction in European stock markets. Futures on European stocks responded with gains, reflecting investor optimism about a possible resolution of the conflict. At the same time, from a technical standpoint, the euro is currently in a local resistance zone. Oil prices are attempting to resume growth amid a weaker dollar, which makes commodities more affordable for holders of other currencies. However, the overall trend remains downward. Brent crude futures rose 0.7% to $70.07 per barrel, while US WTI crude futures climbed 0.8% to $66.77 per barrel. Nevertheless, concerns about slowing economic growth in the US and the potential negative impact of trade tariffs on the global economy are limiting the upside potential for oil prices. Investors continue to closely monitor trade disputes and their possible effects on energy demand. Goldman Sachs has revised its year-end 2025 forecast for the S&P 500 index, lowering it from 6,500 to 6,200 points. This decision is driven by increased political uncertainty, particularly regarding tariffs, as well as concerns about economic growth prospects. Recently, the S&P 500 experienced its most significant one-day drop since December 2018, wiping out $4 trillion in market value from its recent peak. Analysts point out that factors such as tariff policies and slowing economic growth are putting pressure on the stock market, leading to forecast revisions. Despite some indicators pointing to bearish sentiment, Bitcoin surged by more than 7% in the last 24 hours. Metrics such as the market value to realized value ratio and other indicators suggest a potential decline in Bitcoin demand. However, the sudden price increase may be linked to political developments, including the reintroduction of the Bitcoin Act in the US, which proposes that the government acquire 1 million BTC over 5 years. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.